So I'm gonna teach you how to break apart, clean, and just have fun with the Dungeness crab, right? So, you see this guy? This is actually a male Dungeness crab. You see this right here? I forget what this species is called, but what does it look like? Exactly, male crab. So right here in the back, you see 1, 2, 3. So this little lip right here, right on the top shell, this is actually called the carpus. You can actually reach in here with your 2 fingers and just pull, right? You see these funky little pieces right here? They look like kind of tendons, but they're white and they're kind of flaky. These are the gills. You don't want these. We got our waste ball right here. You'll definitely need when we're doing this. So, inside here, you'll see what is called crab butter. Now you can actually save this. It's a delicacy actually, but it's actually full of a lot of toxins. And yeah, it's literally crab butter is what it's called. I personally do enjoy it, but every once in a while. We'll put that out right now. I like to pull off my gills first, just go all the way around, And I'm not gonna lie to you, I just learned how to do this like 10, 20 minutes ago. So I'm gonna show y'all, because I got 2 to practice. Boom, some more crab liver / butter. If you want to try it, by all means, I encourage that. Especially if you are a pescatarian, you might get a very good kick out of that. So we're just gonna go around, just kind of dig in, right? Get all these little gill pieces off. Now, just take this guy, and the way I like to do it, just like a book. Let's go. Boom. There's still a lot of crab butter in here. Just scrape all that out, if you so choose again. I like to separate the legs. Sometimes they fight with you, but just play with your food. Get a little messy. A simple twist and pull usually works for me. There, so we have all our crab into pieces. Keep a handy rag with you because this guy is going to leak water all over your workstation, especially if you just poached it, submerged it in very hot water and cooled it off. It's gonna be very juicy, which is a good thing. Just kind of go through, break your pieces up, save you a bit of time. The method with this, I want you guys to practice is do everything at once. It saves you more time, makes you very efficient. We're just gonna crack all these pieces apart just so it makes it easier for us to go in, make our incisions to get the crab meat out. So, when you're doing this, I like to take these are JV Princes. They're probably some of the best kitchen shears I've ever witnessed in my life. If you like cooking at home just for fun or you work professionally in the kitchen, I recommend getting a pair of these scissors. They're about 30 bucks. You probably find a deal online. But just kind of start in one end and just go up, right? And just do that for all your pieces. Get an end, fill your hole, go. And these scissors, man, they can cut lobster knuckles like it's nothing. And that is primarily what I use them for in the kitchen. But they're very good for whatever you need scissors for. Gonna go up. We got some of these little knuckle pieces, joints. Just gonna pull them off. Sometimes there's meat in there, like Jesus. That's all the meat. That's all the meat. Gotta pick that stuff out. Twist. Take the nut. Go. there's not much in this guy, so we're just gonna toss that. When you get to the claws, it's a bit more difficult just because it's a much denser piece of exoskeleton. So I like to go on the side. It's usually like right here if you see where I'm at. Just kind of in there at an angle. And just go. You will get some crackers, that's cool. You know, just be careful. Be careful about where they land. You know, always go through. As you're doing this, be very cautious, but at the same time, it will be okay. You are gonna be A-okay. Just know that you are gonna get all that meat. I keep a knife handy too, just so I can scrape out any bits. Be careful, don't cut yourself.